Namaskar, good evening, welcome to Maths with Sir. Today I am going to teach a very important topic, that is quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial, and I am with my dear AI, that is Akriti, okay?
Who is not actually
AI. Yeah, who is not actually AI. In fact, my board is switched off. I don't know why it is switched off. I thought initially it is switched on. Oh, it will take 1 or 2 minutes to start. Okay, just till the time you let me what all the things that you know in algebra. You tell me, do you know what is an expression? What is an expression? Okay, take your time.
Sir, an expression is, for example, 5x plus 3, or like 2x plus 1.
I didn't get you. You told
Sir,
me a
like an
very
example is 4x plus 3 or 2x plus 1.
4x plus 2.
Yeah, that's an example of an expression.
Okay, that is an example of an experiment. Very good. So to express something in terms of variables and constants, you are saying, okay, let us take some expressions. As you said very correctly, we will learn some of the basic terminology of algebra and then we will quickly switch to quadratic function. So you might be knowing what is an expression. Expresses is uh, something that you express. And how do you express? You will express with the help of some number, and since we don't know that number, so we can use variable for that. So the very basic simple expression can be x. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next thing there, we need to understand that this x can be added how many times? They can be added a times. So the value will now become, the expression will become ax now. And what is this a known form? This is known as coefficient. This is known as coefficient. Then the third case, so that the same coefficient with the variable can be added with a constant. So this b is known as constant. Again, you also know that ax singularly known as a term. You might be knowing what is a term, what are like terms, what are unlike terms. You know that? Suppose
Yeah,
I
sir.
write,
Like term is like 2x plus 2x, and then unlike is like.
suppose I write 4x square plus 4x. So are they like terms or unlike terms?
Sir, unlike. No,
Unlike, because you can't add them. You can't add apple to oranges. Similarly, some people make mistakes like 4x plus 2y, they will write it as 6xy. So this is not equal to 6xy. Please remember that. Okay, you can't add x and y. So they are different terms. After terms, there comes the degree of a expression. You know what is a degree?
Yes, sir.
The highest exponential power. Okay, then comes the, you can say, then comes the, what is a polynomial? So polynomial is a expression, polynomial is an expression whose exponential power of all the variable is a whole number. The exponential power of all the variable is a whole number. Understood?
Yeah.
Then we will have, you can say, value of a polynomial. So value of a polynomial is represented by y, or you can say p of x. So how many kinds of polynomials we know? So there are basically, polynomials can be defined into different types. One form is based on their number of terms. So if it has one term, it is known as monomial. It is known as monomial. If it has two terms, it is known as binomial. If it has got three terms, it is known as trinomial. If it is having more than three terms, it is known as polynomial. Now on the basis of degree, if you compare, if it has 1 degree, for example x, it is known as linear. It is known as linear. If the degree is 2, then we will say it is quadratic. It is quadratic. If the degree is 3, we term it as cubic. If the degree is 4, we say it as biquadratic. There will be more, but our study will resist. We will keep our study up to quadratic only, as of now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute.
Now then there is one more thing which is known as zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. So what is the zeros of a polynomial? So if you want to understand the zeros of a polynomial, you can understand it by a simple logic. Let us suppose that y is equal to, let us say some polynomial, we can say x square minus 4. Okay, we are having a polynomial x square minus 4. If I ask you at what is the value of x for which this value is going to be equal to 0, I want the value of x for this value is going to be equal to 0. So you will say, okay, you have formed equation now. So x square is equal to 0 plus 4. So x square is going to be 4. So x is going to be plus minus 2. You must always remember that in quadratic, you will always find two numbers. And if I want to show you the graph, you know what is the shape of the graph of quadratic function?
Parabola.
Parabola. So it forms like this. So parabola can be of three types. It can be of this type, it can be of this type, it can be of,
Sir, also upside down, no?
yeah. So basically I am just marking it for the upward only. This is known as concave up. This is known as concave up. Then you can have three more like this, like this, like this. But we will discuss for the one who's concave up, who are concave up. Understood? And how many solution it can have? See, the maximum solution it can have is 1 and 2. Either it can have 1 or it will have no solution. So if the graph is above the x-axis, it will never come to 0. You will never find the 0. It may happen that it may touch the x-axis. So if it is touching the x-axis, it is always 0. Okay? And if it is not touching the x-axis, it is intersecting the x-axis at 2 points. So you will find two solutions for it. So let us start with a simple quadratic functions to find the solution, and we will do in the Excel program only. It's very beautiful designed. So I am doing from my end. I want you to practice from your end. Okay. So right now I am doing in my. Okay. So I think it was in algebra 2, I think. So you have to go to algebra 2. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Solve linear equations, complete the solution. Okay, this is quadratic equations. So we will start with quadratic equation or quadratic function.
Sir, anything, sir.
If you want, we can start with the function as well. Let me see if there is a function. Polynomials, factoring, quadratic function. Okay, characteristic of quadratic functions, graphs. Okay,
Sir,
can you
is
see?
background noise coming?
No, nothing.
Okay, because my parents are in kitchen playing music.
It's okay. I will enjoy the music if I will hear
Punjabi
that.
music, sir. Do you like it?
Okay, I like every music. Okay, tell me, what is the vertex of this graph?
Sir, minus 8. Minus 8.
So 0 comma minus 8, okay?
Yeah.
So we will click on this. I am doing it for you. Okay. Tell me for this one, the question is the same. What is the y-intercept?
Y-intercept is not on the x. What is y-intercept? Sir, 0 only, no?
Yes, because it is touching at 0 only. The y-axis has been touched on 0. Tell me for this. The question is, you have to tell me the y-intercept.
Sir, it's either 4 or 0.
It is 0 only.
Okay. So wherever it touches, so it's always going to be 0.
Yeah, it is touching the y-axis at 0 only.
Okay.
What
is
about
last
this?
one?
What is the equation of the axis of symmetry? Very good question.
Yeah, actually, very good question, sir.
Hi, Keshav Verma. Good evening. Yeah, you have to tell me the axis of symmetry. First, tell me what is the axis of symmetry here?
Ooh, okay. So it's the middle of the parabola,
So
split in
yeah,
the
so
middle.
middle of the parabola
So
is a y-axis.
yeah, so it's gonna be
So what is the equation of y-axis?
4.
Huh?
4.
No, you have to write the equation, my dear. Equation is x is equal
Oh,
to
x
0.
is equals to 0.
Yeah, for the y-axis, x is going to be equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Now, what is the minimum value of this function?
Sir, minus 4.
Minus 4. Okay. See, the same question has been put up into many languages. Different context. Sometimes they are asking you what is the y-intercept. Sometimes they are asking what is the minimum value. Sometimes they will ask you what is the vertex of this. Okay. So, that's why I like this content. What is the equation of the axis of symmetry? Tell me, what is the axis of symmetry in this?
Minus 3.
Wonderful. So the equation
X is
will
equals to
be,
minus 3.
wow, yeah, really amazed. Wonderful. I didn't expected that and too fast. Wonderful. X is equal to minus 3. Wonderful. Now tell me for this, the question is what is the maximum value of this function?
Sir, 3 comma 4.
See, maximum value they are asking you. Value means
So 4.
4. Yes, just 4. You need to say 4 only. Nothing else than that. Next question for you. The question is what is the maximum value of this function?
8.
8. Wonderful. So we will put 8. Now this could be having the y-intercept. Tell me what is the y-intercept in this?
Minus 9.
How fast? So this should be on my side so that I need to roam here and there for that every time. Okay, now it is fine. Now tell me, the question is what is the equation of the axis of symmetry?
X is equals to 0.
Wonderful. X is equal to 0. So we will write x is equal to 0. Good. Yes, Utkarsh. Yes. Okay. What are the coordinates of the vertex? Tell me. What is the coordinate of the vertex?
Sir, 0, 10.
No, it is not 0, my dear. If you look at it carefully,
How's X?
no, the x-axis is at -1. If this vertex is not on y-axis, you can't say 0, 10. The vertex is 1 unit towards the left. So that means -1, 10. Understood?
Ooh, okay, sir, understood.
-1, 10. Okay, next question. What are the coordinates of the vertex?
Sir, 4, -8.
Wonderful. 4, -8. Thanks, Utkarsh. What is the equation of the axis of symmetry? Axis of symmetry equation, okay? Now,
X is equal to
x is equal to
3. X is equal to 3.
wonderful. X is equal to 3. So writing x is equal to 3. Fine. Oh, so fast you have entered into the challenge zone. Let us see how many questions.
Only 22 minutes in, sir.
In 6 minutes only.
Wow.
In 6 minutes you done 13 questions. Wow, wonderful. Okay,
And in 22
next
minutes
question.
we
What is the
discussed-
y-intercept?
What's it? Oh, y-intercept. Sir, 0.
0. Okay, good. Next question. You have to tell me the minimum value of this function.
-9.
It's so fast. Okay, what is the write the equation of the axis of symmetry? Now it is going to be x is equal to
0.
0. Oh, finished.
Already done.
Wonderful.
Three questions
You
in
won a
20
gold medal, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep practicing. Let's practice some more.
Yes.
So now we are going to do the second one. I think characteristic of the quadratic function. This has been done. Now characteristic of the quadratic function equations. Find the equation of the axis of symmetry for the parabola y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 9. Okay. Now how you are going to do this question? Very good question. Okay. Tell me what is the process that you will apply for this question. Find the equation of the axis of symmetry for the parabola y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 9.
Sir, will we use minus b by 2a here?
Yeah, you can use that to find the vertex. So where will be the vertex?
The vertex is the midpoint of parabola, the curve.
Okay, so how do we find the midpoint of the parabola? What was the rule? You remember that rule or not?
No, sir.
No?
No.
Then let us watch the video then.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Today, we are going to look at characteristics of a quadratic function using its equation. Remember, a quadratic function can be written in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And when you graph a quadratic function, you'll get a parabola. Like this. In this graph, we can see that the axis of symmetry is the line that cuts our parabola in half, creating two mirror images. The vertex lies on the axis of symmetry and is the point where the parabola changes direction. On a graph that opens up like this one, the vertex is the lowest point. If the parabola opens downward, then the vertex is the highest point. The y-intercept is the y-coordinate where your graph crosses the y-axis. Today, we are going to learn how to find these characteristics of a quadratic function using its equation. Remember, the quadratic function is in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Let's go over how to find certain properties of a quadratic by looking at the equation. We can tell right away if our parabola opens up or down by the value of a in our equation. If a is positive, the graph opens up like this. In this case, our function will have a minimum value. If a is negative, the graph opens down like this and has a maximum value. Recall, the axis of symmetry on a graph is the line that cuts the graph in half so that it's symmetrical on both sides. We can find the equation for the axis of symmetry by using the formula x equals negative b over 2a. Since the vertex...
Please note this.
Axis of symmetry by using the formula x equals negative b.
So first you will find x is equal to minus b by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Over 2a. Since the vertex of our parabola always lies on the axis of symmetry, we know that the x-coordinate of our vertex must be negative b over 2a. But how do we find the y-coordinate? Well, we just plug x equals negative b over 2a into our equation. Now that we've reviewed these properties, let's practice finding characteristics of a quadratic by looking at quadratic equations. Let's start by finding the y-intercept for the equation y equals x squared.
Okay, let's play some game now. So let us take a general equation. The general equation is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general equation. This is the general equation of the quadratic. Did you get that? General polynomial. So you said that x is equal to minus b upon a is the vertex. Minus b upon a is the x-axis of that vertex. X coordinate. So if I substitute this, see this, minus b upon 2a whole square plus b into minus b upon 2a plus c. Okay. So this is going to be a into b square divided by 4a square plus, sorry, this will again will become minus b square divided by 2a plus c. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if I take the LCM of this, the LCM is going to be 4a square. I hope that you understood this part.
Yes.
Not in fact, sorry, not 4a square, but the LCM will be 4a. Why? Because this a will cancel this square. So this will have b square by 4a, and so I can write this like b square minus, and this will become 2b square, and then it will become plus 4ac. Okay. If you take the LCM of this, so it will become 4ac. So that means at the bottom you are having only 4a, and here in the numerator you are having 4ac minus b square. Alright. Or if you want to remember the formula, you can say like this, minus b square minus 4ac divided by 4a. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
So vertex will be, you can say vertex, the coordinate of the vertex will be minus b upon 2a comma minus, you can say this b square minus 4 is known as discriminant. This is known as discriminant. So you can write it in the short form minus d upon 4a. I think this is the correct formula. So let us do for this question now.
So, sir, I did it. It's 1 comma something because minus b by 2a over here minus.
Okay, what is a in this equation? 1.
1
What is b in this equation?
minus 2.
What is c in this equation?
9.
9. So let us first find minus b upon 2a. So minus b means minus of minus 2, it is going to be 2 divided by 2 into 1 which is equal to 1 only, right?
Yeah, so 1 comma.
1 comma. Now if you put the value of b square minus 4ac, so b square is going to be 4 minus 4 into 9. So that is how much? 36 minus 4, that is 32. So minus 32 divided by 4 into a is how much? 1. So I will say minus 32 divided by 4, which is equal to, sorry, the minus of minus will become plus. So 32 divided by 4 will become 8. So it is 1 comma 8. Did you get that?
Yes, sir, let me just write this down.
Now 1 comma 8 is the vertex. So the parabola is like this, and you suppose that this is 1 comma 8. So the equation of the line will be x is equal to 1. Easy?
So wait, why did you do minus of minus 4?
Because
Isn't it just
it has got minus outside. The formula is
b
minus b
square
square.
minus 4ac, no?
No, it is minus b square minus 4ac upon 4.
Minus b square?
See this? It is 4ac minus b square. So if you take minus common out of it, you will get b square minus 4ac. It is not.
So but isn't quadratic equation minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a?
That is the quadratic value. That is a different thing.
Okay.
That is not this. That is different thing. Okay, don't confuse that thing with this thing. That is the quadratic formula. The value is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That is correct. But this is the vertex. This is not 0. That is the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. This is not 0. This is the vertex. This is the minimum value, or you can say the maximum value. So what you will have? 1 comma 8. So the equation will be x is equal to 1. Did you get that?
X is equals to 1, yeah.
So we don't need to find y as well. See, if you want to find the equation, we just need x-axis, and that we got already as 1. So let us see this.
7x. The y-intercept is where the function crosses the y-axis.
So can I fill it as x is equal to 1? Let us check it out.
Yes.
Fantastic. Now find the y-intercept of the parabola y is equal to x square. Y-intercept. Y-intercept means you can keep x is equal to 0.
Yeah, because this is a parent function, so you don't need to do anything.
So it is going to be 0 only, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
because sir, x squared is the parent function.
No, in fact, if you put x is equal to 0, y will come as 0 only.
Yeah.
Y is equal to x square. So 0 square is 0. Okay. Find the equation of the axis of symmetry for the parabola x square plus 3x. Just find what is minus b upon 2a.
Minus 1.5.
How much?
Minus 1.5.
So don't say, you can say minus 3 by 2.
Oh, right, we can do it in fractions. Okay.
Yeah, write in the fraction only, okay?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Find the vertex of the parabola. Vertex means now you have to tell me the x-axis and y-axis as well. X coordinate and y coordinate. So x coordinate is going to be minus b upon 2a.
X is 2.
Okay.
And then will y be 4?
No, minus 4.
Minus 4. Okay.
You want to understand how?
Yeah.
So minus b square is going to be 16, minus 4ac is 0, divided by, so you will have 4a, so 4 into 1. So if you solve this, you will get minus 4. Okay, understood?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Now do this one, the minimum value of the parabola. Minimum value means you keep the x coordinate in the value of, first you find the x coordinate and then find the y coordinate and tell me what is the y coordinate.
Wait, one second, can you repeat?
First you need to find the x coordinate, that is minus b upon 2a.
Yeah.
Then with that value you just need to find b square. Okay, no, you don't need to find x coordinate, you can simply find b minus times b square minus 4ac upon 4a. You have the formula now.
Oh, okay.
For this I think you can do it directly as well.
Minus 81 by 4. I mean 85, sorry.
No, so minus b square minus 4ac, if you say, so minus b square is nothing, so you don't have b, minus 4 into a into c, so minus 4 into
Oh,
a
I
is
took
1,
CSB.
c is 9, divided by 4.
Oops, I took C as 9.
So 4 and 4 will get cancelled, minus of minus 9 is plus 9. See, we don't need to find this in this manner. You can find the value by keeping, see, x square. What is the minimum value of x square?
Sorry, sir?
What is the minimum value of x square?
0.
So what is the minimum value of this function? 9. You
Oh.
can do that way as well.
Yes, sir.
They are asking you the minimum value. See, 9 can't be reduced. Okay, so x square can become 0. So this will become 9.
Yes, sir.
Somebody is asking kya ho raha hai sir? So Himesh, we are doing quadratic functions. Okay, we are doing quadratic functions. There are some minimum values and maximum values and vertex. So it depends. I think this is for grade 12. Okay, find the vertex of parabola. This is very easy question. For this vertex,
Vertex of parabola
this is very easy. You know the graph.
0, comma 0.
Wonderful. It will be 0, comma 0. Next question, find the minimum value of the parabola. So minimum value means you need to find the value of y. So value of y you can find by the formula. What is the formula? Formula is minus, then you will write b square minus 4ac divided by 4a. Just find the value for this and let me know the answer. How much you got?
I got up to the 96 part. But sir, wait. Huh?
No, I have
Why
done
did
some
you do
mistake.
80 minus 96?
16 into 5 is 80.
okay, so that's what you did. Okay.
Hi Shivangi. So I got the value as 4 by 5. You let me know your own value.
What's it?
I got the value as 4 by 5.
Yeah.
You also got the same value? Okay. So let's put it up. So 4 divided by 5. Okay, find the maximum value of the parabola. Maximum value of the parabola, the same formula you will use, minus b square minus 4ac divided by 4a. Let us see. So minus b square minus 4ac divided by 4a. Do it. Please understand that a is negative here.
Yeah, that's why it's saying maximum value.
Yeah.
Sir, 9 by 2.
Wonderful. I also got 9 by 2 only.
Oh.
You know, this is maxima and minima. This is a topic of calculus in grade 12. And we are learning in grade 10.
Yes, sir.
Find the equation of the axis of symmetry for the parabola. So what you need to find? Just find minus b upon 2a and the equation will be x is equal to minus b upon 2a. So minus b upon 2a will be minus 6 upon 2, that is minus 3.
Yeah, minus 6.2.
So the equation will be x is equal to minus 3.
Yeah.
See how simply we have cracked it out. Find the vertex of the parabola. Vertex of the parabola is minus b upon 2a. Be quick. You can simply do it here.
Yeah.
Keshav, beta, you are in which grade?
8.3. Mm. Sir, 1.5.
Hmm? How much? 4 by 5?
No, 1.5.
Don't say 1 by
Comma.
1.5. Just say 3 by 2.
Okay, 3 by 2.
Yeah, nobody is asking you that you can crack decimals as well. Okay, so minus b upon 2a, that is minus of minus 3 upon 2, that is going to be 3 by 2. And for this you will have b square minus 4ac, minus times b square minus 4ac. So let me also find out minus times b square is going to be 9 minus 4 into 8. 32 divided by 4.
9 minus 32 by 4. Yeah, sir.
So it is going to be 23 by 4, right? 32, yeah, 23 by 4, I think.
Sir, isn't it minus 23?
How much?
Oh, never mind, sir. Minus gets cancelled. 23
Yeah.
by 2.
Most of the times we are getting only positive values. Till now we haven't got any. So 23 by 4 only? What you got?
Yes, sir.
Tell me for this.
So wait, how do we find the y-intercept?
What?
How do we find the y-intercept?
See, so what is minus b upon 2a? You don't have anything. So 0 only.
Okay,
The
so
y,
y-intercept
see,
is 0.
if the equation is having no other intercept apart from x square, it is always going to be 0 only. Because minus b is 0, 0 upon 2 is going to be 0. So b square minus 4 is c. You don't have anything as c. That is also going to be get 0 only.
Okay, sir.
So 0 comma 0. You don't need anything else. For any time you will see just x square, it is always going to touch the x axis at 0 comma 0. That is. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Find the y-intercept of the parabola y is equal to x square.
Sir, 0.
0, good.
Sir, 1 by 2, comma, wait.
1 by 2. So minus b upon 2a. Yeah, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, comma, b minus times b square minus 4ac. What is your answer?
Still doing, sir.
Okay, b square is going to be 81 minus 4 into c is 0. So 81 only divided by 4 into minus 9. So minus and minus 1 will get cancelled out. 9, 9. I am getting 9 by 4.
Sir, 9 by 4? Wait.
Yeah, you tell me your answer.
But sir, isn't minus... Wait. But sir, isn't a minus 9? So...
No, yeah, tell me your doubt. See, the thing is you have to do minus b square is how much? 9 only. 9 square which is 81, right?
Yeah.
And since c is 0, so 4ac will become 0 as well.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry, sir.
divided by 4 into, then you will 4 into a is going to be minus 9. So minus and minus will get cancelled out, 9 and 9. So the answer will be 9 by 4. So shall I put 9 by 4?
Yes, sir.
Find the vertex.
Yes,
Minus
sir.
6 upon 2a. So minus 3.
X is minus 3,
Wonderful.
and I'm finding y.
So minus b square is going to be 36. Minus 4 into 5 is 20. Divided by 4 into a is 1.
36.
So minus 16 by 4. So minus 4 I got.
Yes, sir. Minus 4.
Find the y-intercept of the parabola. Y-intercept
Sir,
means, yeah, tell me.
you said when there's x squared, the y-intercept is always 0, no?
Yes, for x square only. If you don't have anything else.
But we have plus 1 here.
Yes.
So,
Then in that case, if you put x is equal to 0, it is going to be 1.
1. So minimum is 1.
Wait. Y-intercept of the parabola. So parabola is always going to go through 1 only, because x, if you keep
Okay.
x as 0, you can get y as 1.
Yes, sir.
But I am having one doubt. Okay. I will clarify the doubt in this. Find the maximum value.
Well, I
Okay.
find maximum value, sir. You can solve it down.
Okay, see, the maximum value is not the y-intercept. They both are different things. Maximum value is not the y-intercept. Maximum value is the value at the vertex. Vertex means first you need to find x, then you need to find y. But if somebody asks you what is the y-intercept of this, then you will say minus 6. Because y-intercept means graph is going to touch the y-axis at x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, it is going to be minus 6.
Okay.
Hi Anurag. मैं बढ़िया हूँ बेटा. अगर आप बेटा हो तो सर लग रहे हो.
Sir, so maximum value is 23 by 4? Or
I also got the
100?
same. No, I also got the same thing. It is 23 by 4 only.
Yeah.
So let me put it at 23 by 4. See, maximum value can be at some x, and that x is minus b by 2a.
Huh?
Oh, we just missed the sign, I think. There was one sign which was outside. Okay.
Oh, right. I always forget about that sign
Oh my god.
just because of one sign.
So
Oh,
how we don't know how much we are reduced at. So we are at which? What is the marks? Okay,
It's
we have to first click on got it. Let us see. 89.
89.
I think
Oh
we
my
were at
God.
90.
Oh my God.
It's
Maybe
okay.
let me go to
It's
one.
okay. It's okay. The
Okay,
equation of the axis of symmetry. So it is going to be x is equal to minus b upon 2a. What is minus b upon 2a?
6 upon 6. 1.
How much?
1, 1, 1.
So minus, okay, minus or minus 6, fine. X is equal to 1. Find the vertex of the parabola.
So it'll be 5 by 2, comma minus 45 by 4, I think. You just check.
So minus b square is going to be 25, 4ac is going to be 0. So that is minus 25 by 4.
Yeah.
I accidentally typed 5.
Oh
So
no.
sorry.
No.
So I'm
So
going
we
to
will practically
I'm going
play.
to make it up. Just wait. I'm going to make it
Yeah, we're
up.
not mentioning that.
So y-intercept is going to be minus 8. Let me do it faster. Then find the equation of the axis of symmetry. So it is going to be x is equal to, so minus b upon 2a. So minus 2 upon 2 is going to be minus 1. So minus 1. Okay. Then minimum value of the parabola. Minimum value of the parabola is going to be b square minus 4c. This is going to be 9, right? It is a repeated question.
What's it?
What is the minimum value of the parabola?
9.
9. I think I have made it up.
Mm-hmm.
96. Okay.
Okay, we're close.
Now 3 more questions to do. I want you to do it by yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, two.
No, how you got 2?
Oh, huh?
Minus b upon, okay, yeah, minus 2 or 2?
Wait, sir, wait.
What
Minus
is,
b upon 2a.
so minus,
Oh, I forgot minus sign. Minus 2.
so x is equal to minus 2. Did you get that?
Yeah, I forgot minus sign.
Find the vertex. Minus b upon 2a. So minus of minus is going to be plus. So 3 by 2 into 3 is going to be 1 by 2. So x I got as 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of y? So
X
minus
is 1 by 2,
b square is how much? 9 divided by 4 into 3. I got as minus 3 by 4.
minus 9 by 4, no?
Minus 3 by 4.
Minus 3 by 4?
3 by 4.
What would it say?
Let me show you again.
Yeah,
So minus b square is how much? 3 square, which is going to be 9.
yeah,
And 4ac is going to be 0 because you don't have any c.
yeah.
Then divide by 4 into 3.
Oh, right.
Then 3 into 3 will get cancelled out, so you will get minus 3 by 4. Right?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Wow. So
Wow.
you got one more gold medal. You have mastered the
Nice.
scale and earned a gold medal. Okay. And that we have done in just 1 hour. Great. Wonderful. Good job. But I want you also to practice this at your end as well in your IXL program. And tomorrow we will continue the third sheet. Okay? We will
Yes,
try
sir.
to do the third and fourth sheet. We will go step by step. I hope you enjoyed the class.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Well done, well done. Okay, beta. Bye. अब मेरे प्यारे YouTube के साथियों, मुझे ये बताओ कि आपको कौन सा टॉपिक पढ़ना है। रिवीजन तो बेटा रिवीजन नहीं था, अभी मैं पढ़ा रहा था, एक स्टूडेंट थी मेरी, उसको पढ़ा रहा था मैं, तो अभी कोई रिवीजन नहीं है। अब रिवीजन शुरू हो जाएगा। आप बताओ आपको क्या पढ़ना है। एनीबडी हु वांट्स टू डिस्कस एनी टॉपिक। मैंने पोस्ट भी किया है, आई डोंट नो वेदर आप लोगों ने पोस्ट रिसीव किया कि नहीं, पर मैंने एक कम्युनिटी पोस्ट किया था। इंट्रोडक्शन टू ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री 33%। अच्छा, पोस्ट का रिस्पांस आ गया है। बताओ किसको क्या पढ़ना है, जो बोल दोगे वही पढ़ा देंगे। बोलो बच्चों, बोलो। विच क्लास रिविजन इज गोइंग ऑन। कोई कुछ नहीं बता रहा है। बोलो बच्चों किसको क्या पढ़ना है। आप लोग अब कोई भी टॉपिक बता दो जो पढ़ना है। मुझे रिक्वेस्ट आई है। सो इंट्रोडक्शन टू ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के इंट्रोडक्शन का मैंने पहला लेक्चर लास्ट क्लास में लॉन्च किया था। इसके अलावा अगर किसी को पढ़ना है कुछ 9th ग्रेड में 10th ग्रेड में, प्लीज़ लेट मी नो अभी के अभी इसी टाइम में। एनी डाउट एनी टॉपिक, so I'm here for 5-10 minutes. So if you don't have any topic, you can just leave the meeting. Nobody is there. One person is watching. Concurrent viewers, I can see one person is watching. So if you can let me know your name and doubt, then I can help you out, or else I have to end this session then. YouTube वाले भी बेचारे सोचते होंगे कि कितना ही पढ़ा रहा है। बताओ बच्चों, है कोई टॉपिक? कोई भी बच्चा टाइप करके बता दे कि सर ये टॉपिक पढ़ना है, आई विल जस्ट गाइड यू। और नहीं है कोई क्वेश्चन है आपका 10th ग्रेड में, 9th ग्रेड में, मैथ्स का, साइंस का, बायो का नहीं पूछना है, फिजिक्स का पूछ सकते हो, न्यूमेरिकल, केमिस्ट्री का पूछ सकते हो। इक्वेशन पर इक्वेशन मुझे भी याद नहीं रहती है, कोई भी नहीं है। Everybody is left. Okay, so with this I'm going to end this session. Bye, goodbye, take care. All the YouTube students, thanks for voting. है कोई बच्चा जिसको कुछ पढ़ना हो? कुछ नहीं पढ़ना है किसी को।